Saraswatyaye Namaha, Vaishnavi Mataye Namaha. Today I would like to narrate how I could have a good darshan of Vaishnava Devi. I wanted to go, about 10 years back, I wanted to go to Vaishnava Devi, but I was not getting time or the way of how to go about it. I was very busy in the bank, in Centurion Bank. One young manager offered, "Sir, a group of devotees are going to Vaishnava Devi from Bombay. Would you like to join?" I happily volunteered. Believe it or not, generally from Bombay to Vaishnava Devi, the trip would have costed some 8,000 like that, private organizers. But this is a religious way they are taking it, spiritual way. They hardly, without no profit, no loss basis, just 1,200 including the train, boarding, lodging, everything, food also they have arranged, everything 1,200 only. So we have taken a train to via Delhi to Katra, and then we went there. And before that, let me say a few words. Before the start of the journey, I was telling to my colleagues, two young girls were there who were like my niece. I casually told them I'm going to Vaishnava Devi. Then one of the girl told, "Sir, are you carrying proper woolen clothes?" Woolen clothes means where can I get that kind of thing? Woolen, she was telling, the pajama like thing, woolen one. Where can I get it? I don't have the time because I leave my house at 9 o'clock and reach home back at 9 o'clock. There is no time for me to purchase, and hardly in a few days we have to start also. I told I cannot. Then suddenly, I was not, to my surprise, the next day morning, that girl put that particular woolen pajama on my table. "Sir, I purchased it for you." Even probably a family member also would not have done it that fast and that clear. She's a very intelligent lady and very capable girl, and I'm very thankful to her even now for the thoughtful action. Maybe she managed to get it from her. She was in Borivali, so I was in Ghatkopar, but that is a different issue. Then I went there. This is the God's grace only. So when I wanted to go, some gentleman offered a trip, and then a girl, maybe in the form of Vaishnava Devi herself, has given me the woolen clothes. And then when I was going, actually on the half of the way, they call it the goddess place we have gone. There is no problem. It's by walk only. Another man of my own age, about 52 I was at that time, he told, "Sir, whatever your desire is there, it will be fulfilled, but go by walk. Don't go by any other means." I agreed. But we were a group of three. And at the middle of the point, that was somewhere in February, about 20 years back, it was very awfully snowfall was there, and 95% of the devotees, they stopped at that point only, having darshan of the goddess and then coming back. But actually, there is another story. From that particular goddess, there is another big top of the hill, a Rakshasa was killed by her. So going there is very difficult. Very steep it is, and fully snowy, slippery is there, and people told us, "Drop down, sir, please drop the idea." But still, I insisted that we should go. I was the older man compared to my younger people. They were surprised because I was insisting. They also followed, and a lot of monkeys were there. And one or two times I was about to slip also. It was a very risky thing, really. But in the name of God, somewhat taking the risk somehow, monitoring even the monkeys, I went there and came back successfully. So this is one story which I wanted to highlight. The goddess Vaishnava Devi blessed us in that way. And when I'm going there on the top, one more thing I have noticed. On the top of that, when I was going, I have suddenly noticed a eagle. The Vaishnava Devi, it goes on the Garuda Vahana, they call it. It is supposed to have that as an eagle as a vehicle. So that I saw it. I thought Goddess is blessing us in that way as well. So this is all I wanted to say.